Hey guys, father and son coming to you today. I got some really exciting news. As you know, we get a small amount of money from YouTube, and I have eBay links in my descriptions sometimes of stuff I do, and eBay pays us a partnership. We get a percentage off that. It doesn't cost the person that buys anything. But we got some money from eBay and finally got some money from YouTube. And what we like to do is reinvest in the channel. So we're already into mini bikes and Nerf guns, and just having fun in general. So today we add a new member to the family. That's right, a Traxxas Bandit remote controlled car. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to do an unboxing of this, kind of see what you get with it. And just check it out, because I have no idea. I haven't seen one of these in person, so I'm really excited. And that's one of the great things about being a parent, a dad or mom, is you kind of get to relive your childhood. You know, you get to be a kid again for a little while in between going to work, making dinner, and all that mess. So it's fun. So that's a great thing about being a parent. So let's get to opening this thing and see what's inside. Kind of like a kid at Christmas, opening the package, even though you know what's in it. You haven't seen it yet. And you just want to see what's in the box. Okay. Here we go. Okay, well, right here we have what looks to be like the controller, and this model comes with the it's a TQI controller. It has a training mode on it to where you can set the power down to 50%, which I'm sure I'm going to have to do with Connor and Chloe. I've already come up with some great ideas for some videos with this thing, what we're going to do. Have some fun, and I hope you guys are entertained and amused by it. But yeah, it's a pretty cool controller. It feels very solid. Wow, this thing's a little bit bigger than I thought it was. It's kind of nice. You get your manuals. You get a little toolkit, some extra pins for your body in case your body falls off. That sounds like a horrible thing, your body to fall off. Let's get rid of the box. Wow, this is really cool. Okay, how do you get it off, people? Okay, that's how you do it. Alright, you pull the pins off, and the body comes off. That's pretty cool how they package that so you don't mess the body up. Check that out. This is the Rock and Roll edition. Pretty cool paint job. I kind of wanted the silver one, but it wasn't really available in the package that I wanted. Alright. So right here, that's where your battery goes. This is supposed to have a crazy powerful motor on it. It'll do 70 miles an hour with a lithium battery, and if you change the gear. We're going to put that to the test and find out in one of our videos. But anyways, let's put this thing back together. And these little pins just hold the body on. And the suspension on that thing is amazing. Look at that. Feels strong. I'm so excited about this. Alright. So there it is. How cool is that? I never had anything this cool when I was a kid. I know the kids are going to be so excited. They've already talked about it. They know that I've gotten it. But that's not all of it. I'm going to tell you. I'm going to put a link in the description below. I got this on eBay from a hobby dealer in New Jersey. Not only did I get this car and the controller, it didn't come with a battery or anything from the factory. But from this hobby dealer, for just a little more than the price of a normal VXL Bandit, I've got this charger, which recognizes whatever kind of Traxxas battery you put in it. That's a $50 value. And I got a 3-cell lithium battery. And that's just crazy. That's a good deal. That's why I like eBay so much, is because they hold their sellers accountable. And you can really find some good deals on there. So I'm going to put a link in the description below. Support our channel. Just check them out. And if you're looking for something else, just click on a link and go look for something else. We really appreciate you guys supporting this channel, and we cannot wait to show you some of the videos we're going to come up with this thing. I've already got some ideas in my head, and they are crazy. But you guys have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Can't wait to really dig into this thing, and you guys come back and watch. Have a great day.